vehicles and more planting and use of effective renewable energy.
Speak aloud.
And I am agree with you. Pollution may be in various forms like air pollution, water pollution, and sound pollution. And vehicles are also contribute up to 35% of pollution in the big cities of India.
Okay, dear. Said that India has got 168th rank in 2020 according to pollution performance index out of 180 countries.
Pollution is the result of emission of different gases from power plants.
Smoking comes from factories are the main cause of the pollution, and all the nations should come together and try to solve this problem. And also due to the pollution, depletion of ozone is increasing day by day.
It is mandatory to participate in the debate, please, guys.
Okay, and I am agree with you. Pollution can be controlled by stop more use of vehicles and planting more trees and effective use of renewable energy. And we should follow the government campaign like Swachh Bharat Mission.
Pollution is a result of emissions of different gases from various power plants like carbon dioxide, methane, chlorofluorocarbon. This is the main cause of pollution. So government should take preventive steps to control pollution to save our
Because of pollution, there is an increase in greenhouse gases, which results in the global warming, and also pollution is the main cause of acid rain.
It is, my dear friends, it is a matter of concern that many metro cities like Delhi, Noida are one of the most populated cities in the world.
The result of increasing which prevents ultraviolet rays and which would be dangerous for us.
Yes, my friend, I am agree with you. This is a problem of whole world, and every nation come together and reduce the more use of vehicle and planting more trees and use effective energy.
Pollution is the main cause of global warming.
Pollution rate of the emission different gases power plants like जैसे ozone के carbon different
Okay, dear friend, water pollution is a major problem, and many industry dumps waste into rivers and lakes to waste.
You can also correlate with the global warming. So due to pollution, global warming is increasing. Ozone depletion is also increasing, sir, due to pollution, by which prevents us from ultraviolet rays. Continue.
Okay, dear friend, the harmful gases affect the normal human life, and many newborn disease like blood pressure, sugar, heart attack problems are generating and taking a big end of human death.
Pollution is the main cause of global warming.
And
Due
we
to
can
this, animals and plants are affected most, and increasing temperature and melts ice in Greenland, and also
we can save us the pollution more planting trees and reduces vehicles.
Dear friends, to control pollution, we should use renewable sources of energy, and also there is a need of sustainable development so that our environment do not harm by pollution.
Yes, my friend, I agree with you. Due to pollution, global warming is increased, by which plants and animals are more affected. High temperature melt ice in Greenland, by which sea level of ocean is increased. That is very harmful for human life.
And newborn disease like blood pressure, sugar, heart attack are generating and affected the human life a lot.
My dear friends, due to global warming, plants and animals are affected by most dangerous.
Okay, dear friend, in today's scenario, pollution is a very big issue, not only in our country but also in the
Shivam.
whole world. So all the countries should come together and stop more use of vehicles and planting more trees and effective use of.
Why don't you participate in the debate?
And due to pollution, ozone depletion is increasing, which prevents us from ultraviolet rays. And so our government should take steps and save our environment.
Pollution has become very big issue, so we should awareness about pollution.
Due to pollution, global warming is increasing. Due to global warming,